How to create or open Fedex business account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open or create a Fedex business account. For this, open up any web browser and now you want to search for Fedex business account. Then out of the search results, you want to click on the option of open a business account. Once you click on this option, over here you will have to choose your account type, select business, then select how would you like to pay. After that, click on the get started option. Now here you want to check this box and click on the sign up option. Now the first step is to enter all of your details. Go ahead and enter your first name, then enter your last name. Now enter your company name, select your country. Now type in your contact address, zip code, state and city, then enter your phone number and email. Now click on enter login details. Now the second step is to create your password. Go ahead and create a strong password. Retype the password for confirmation. After you do that, you want to check the box that says you have read the terms and conditions. Now click on create my user ID option. Now, the next step is to choose an account type. Then, click on the Create Account option. Now your account has been created. All you have to do is enter your credit or debit card information. And after that is done, your new FedEx business account is ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.